Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing updates. If you're using any iPhone and you are trying to update your software but you're having the issue that your iPhone has been stuck on preparing updates, let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection. So scroll down your quick settings and from here you have to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and after doing it all you just have to go for settings app and you just have to retry to update your software. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to go back and go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings and enter your passcode, and all of your network settings will be resetted. So after doing that, if you are still having the same issue, so you have to double check your iPhone storage. So you have to make sure that there will be almost 10 to 15 GB free in your iPhone storage to install iPhone updates. So once you have checked, you have to go back and here retry to update your software, and it might be that your issue will be fixed. And after doing that, if you are still having the same issue, so you have to try to make a forced restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you find black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get Apple logo, you have to release the button, wait for your phone until it's restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue if your iPhone stuck on preparing updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.